Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and this is yet another video for Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. Today's Bank Nifty expiry was a complete range bound momentum. There was no upside or downside momentum at all, so it was not a day for option buyers as such. I stayed away from the market, took couple of trades, yeah, very small ones with small quantity, and preferred Nifty over Bank Nifty, and went with a scalping trade for downside as well as for upside in Nifty. Ended up with a small, very marginal profit, but all in all, I think it was a day not for option buyers. And let's go ahead and start our analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. But before that, disclaimer. All the views and opinions expressed in this video are for learning purposes only and are not meant to influence any buy or sell decision. This is not a recommendation in any way, and any decisions with respect to investing or trading need to be taken after consultation with your financial advisors. Now, what I'm sharing right now with you all is the Nifty spot chart on daily time frame, and as we can see here, uh, we had drawn a channel, and we had seen that uh, yesterday we had talked in yesterday's video. I had mentioned that the bottom of the channel might get retested today. So we were looking for the levels 21,422, but roughly uh, the market touched at 21,444 and then reversed from there. It looks like it has respected the bottom of the channel, and we see some buying from there. So if you see on the chart that is being displayed, uh, at this channel bottom, it has taken, the buyers have um jumped in and on four occasions. This is the first one, this is the second, this is the third, and this one today being the fourth one. Now, and this kind of indicates that currently Nifty is more strong as compared to Bank Nifty. We'll see Bank Nifty later, but this indicates Nifty is relatively more strong. And if any downside needs is to be seen, then that will be after Nifty closes on a daily chart. If one candle closes below 21,500, 21,500 is the is a very crucial level. For the past 3 days, it has managed to close about 21,500, and today in fact it has closed about 21,600. So uh, we see that that there are buyers in the market, and buyers are trying their best to take the price up, take the market up, but somehow there is seller presence or seller dominance at higher prices, and it will be interesting to see how this plays. I somehow feel the buyers, everyone who is buying here, are going to get trapped. However, it will, I mean, only time can tell whether uh, buyers are going to emerge as victorious or it will be the sellers. For now, it seems to be the range bound moment that will continue, and since it has taken a support from the bottom of the channel. The next move that we look at is on the upside to retest the mid of the channel, right? So let's see how we can trade Nifty on a 15-minute time frame. So for Nifty, for a 15-minute time frame, as you can see here, this is today's high and this is today's low, 21,444 and 21,644. These are the levels for today. These were the levels for today, and the Nifty continued its movement between these 200 points today. And this 21,644 level is the one which was tested multiple times and then broken. And I think now what if this level 21,644 breaks tomorrow, it will be interesting to see if this particular trend line that we see, the yellow one, which has been since couple of days. So if this gets broken, then we might see some upside to retest the levels 21,733. That would be a quick 70 to 90 points up move if if Nifty 50 sustains above 21,655 levels. On the downside, again, I think if you see a bearish candle like a inverted hammer or a shooting star or a bearish engulfing pattern or a M pattern, then in that case we can again see the bottom of the channel being tested. Again, it all depends on how the market opens. If the market opens gap up, then we might see some short covering moves. If the market opens gap down, uh, we may again see this being a support. Again, 21,488, 21,500 levels will again act as support, and we may see some buyers jump in again to take the market higher. If the levels 21,488 break, and if the market sustains below 21,488, then in that case we may see some sharp downside move with a long unwinding. And if the market closes its daily candle under 21,500, then I think that will be the time when sellers will start to create new positions on the sell side. For Nifty, today's expiry was a total range bound expiry, except for the first two candles on a 15-minute chart. I'll show you on the 15-minute chart. But let's take a look at this here. This is the daily time frame that I'm sharing with you all. And as you can see here, yesterday we had talked about this second channel, right? The brown line, and we had seen Bank Nifty take support on that channel bottom, and from there it had we had seen some buying, and today again that bottom was I mean the market opened gap down below the slightly below the channel bottom, and it took support, and then the buyers jumped in from there. So this channel bottom has actually provided support on 4 occasions, similar to what we saw for Nifty. But Bank Nifty as compared to Nifty is more weaker for out of the two for me. And as you can see here, Bank Nifty has taken support on almost 3 occasions out of 4. This I cannot call it as a support, but it held on to the bottom of the channel. So all in all, I think 3 times it has taken support. However, it did not close. It managed to close above the level 47,311, which was broken yesterday, which was a level which we were talking about for yesterday. Uh, that level has been retested, and it has managed to close above it, slightly above it. However, it hasn't yet entered this channel, the the one which we are the one with the black line, right? And again, 47,311 was broken yesterday, and today it was retested, and the market closed slightly above it. So this becomes the first retracement, or the first retest, which probably will not sustain, and we may see a downfall, a further down move from here. Tomorrow's levels for us would be 47 to 422 and 47,011. So between these levels, I think the market will continue to stay range bound. If 47,422 breaks on the upper side, and if the market sustains, then we will see another bullish candle here, and this will again be uh, it will again try to test the top of this channel, right? This brown line. On the downside, if 47 levels, 47,011 levels get broken, I mean, if the market trades and sustains below 47,000, then the levels that we have are quick 46,922, followed by 46 uh, 655 levels. We may also see some support or resistance in at 46,800 levels as well. So these are the levels which we can keep as targets: target 1, target 2, and target 3. And depending on the consolidation and the price action, we can then decide where to book profit, or whether to move with a moving stop loss. Now let's see on the 15-minute time frame how this how the expiry was for today. So as you can see, there was a gap down opening, and with this gap down opening we saw some profit booking. And since the profit booking, I think the market then continued to be range bound. There was uh, no momentum on either side, and the market continued to stay range bound. So today's Bank Nifty expiry was almost a range bound expiry, not for the option buyers, more so for the option sellers. And I think we had discussed this yesterday also. Back to back 2 days, we had seen some very good momentum in Bank Nifty, and we had anticipated that today's expiry is going to be a range bound one. Uh, Fortunately for us, this does not change the scenario wherein we are still little more bearish on Bank Nifty as compared to Nifty. Nifty managed to close higher above 21,600 levels, but Bank Nifty is still within the range, and I think tomorrow a back gap down opening or even flat opening with consolidation and down move can take Bank Nifty to below 47,000 levels. Uh, yeah, so that's the update. That's the analysis for today. And there's one more. There is this trend line, as you can see here. This is forming higher highs. Sorry, lower highs, lower lows formation on Bank Nifty. And the next candle that I mean tomorrow's candle, even if it uh, opens gap up and opens gap up, it may see some resistance at around 47,577 levels, and from there we may see some uh, rejection from the top. So it will be interesting to see if the market if the Bank Nifty price action sustains above 47,577 levels, then in that case we may see some further upside to test this channel top. For now, I think it will continue to be the range bound momentum that it has continued to have, and even for Nifty on a daily time frame, since 2nd of Jan, I think the momentum has been sideways market. It has been a sideways market from 2nd of Jan. So as you can see here, 2nd Jan, it has all been this consolidation, a sideways market. And on a 50-minute chart also, you can see here, 15 minutes chart also you can see here, this range has been this is the range where Nifty has been playing. So since past 5 days, and whichever side this will break, I think we can see a good move either upside or downside, whichever side it breaks. So it will be interesting to see which side it breaks. I'm more towards the bearish bias. I have a bearish bias towards market right now, but you never know if with a gap up opening or with uh, strong buying, you can see sentiments change. Let's take a look at Dow Jones today. At the moment, how it is. So Dow Jones again on a daily time frame, it is Dow Jones is also showing some range bound movement, right? So this is the range bound this is a small range that Dow Jones is playing into, and I think we are waiting for some kind of a trigger, maybe some Fed meeting or something, uh, which may decide the course of action. However, the chances are pretty high that after this big rally and this consolidation, we may see a downfall. So let's see where the market goes, and let's trade as per the price action. That's it for today. Do let me know in comments if this is helpful for you guys, and do like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done, and do watch the video till the end. You may have some points which can help you, or you may have some questions which you may want to ask. So do watch the videos till the end, and thank you so much for watching. um, that's it. Thanks. Bye.